Today we're here with my favourite thing, Shopkins. I have the Shopkins Little Secret set. So these are really cute little houses. I've got a few of these. I think I've got 2 of these already. And I have this ballerina one to open today. So this is called the Happy Steps Dance Studio. So I've had this for a little while. I say that every toy video. I'm like, I've had this for months. I've had this for ages. I basically have a bag where I've like put lots of different stuff in, dolls, Shopkins, hair adorables, all sorts of stuff goes in there, and then I like gradually I'm getting through it doing the videos. It's also good though because it's kind of put me on a spending ban, so I'm going to try not like spend anything for a bit now and just kind of work my way through the bag and just enjoy the stuff in there. But yeah, so anyway, I want to be unboxing this today. So it shows the 4 different ones on the back. So I have all of them. This one's yet to come if you want to see that, and I also have these 2. I actually recently got a new bookcase as well, and I'm going to be displaying like this sort of stuff, maybe the Polly Pockets that I have, like vintage Polly Pockets on it as well. So I will do a video on that, so subscribe if you want to see more of this stuff. But yeah, let's get straight into this then. So let's try and peel this open. So I find they're not the easiest things to get open, but as long as you're a bit careful, it's not too bad. Alright, so you can peel the top off. These all have really cute art, by the way. I do love the style of these. Okay, I got it all out. Kind of destroyed the packaging a bit. These are kind of tricky. I end up just like cutting it and like pulling it apart and stuff. I always recommend, you know, don't let a child open this if you're buying for a kid. Speaking of buying these, I'm pretty sure they're all on offer now. So in Tesco's, I think they're all in Argos or somewhere. I think, no, Tesco's they were 2 for £15. In Argos, I think they're like £7.50, so you can pretty much get these for £7.50 now on like Amazon or whatever. I bought them all pretty much for like £10, but you know, even then I think that's a pretty good price. So here it is on the outside. It's really pretty looking. I love the pastel colours, that sort of pink and purple. Back has a little space for our key that we're going to get shortly. So that's really cute. I love the sort of like ivy going up the front, and there's like a little ballet slipper sign on the front door. So that's really cute. So I suppose this is meant to be like a sort of practice rooms, which is cute. And then we get this cute little box here. And if you look inside, we can see, it's Ellerina, I think her name is. What's she saying? Help me get in my shop. I don't know why that was so hard for me to read. Okay, so let's open this up. So we have our little checklist in here, and this will be showing us the different ones we can get. So there are those 3. Like I said, this one's going to be coming soon. And here's the one we have. And now these 2. So these say coming soon. Now I'm hoping that means coming soon to the UK. It was weird because they were on Amazon for a bit, Amazon UK, and then they kind of went off. And then they were like advertised on Smith's, our toy shop, but then they never kind of came in stock. So they sort of were advertised places, but then they never came in stock. So I don't know if they're yet to still come, or if I should just buy them off Amazon.com because they're on there, and I'll just have to pay like a little bit more for shipping and stuff. But I might probably just get them off Amazon.com because I don't want to like miss them in case they don't come. But yeah, one of them is like an arcade, and then the other one's like a bakery. So they look really cool ones as well. So I definitely want to get those. Okay, so we have this little kind of foil and plastic thing, and this is where we can find our keys and our figure and stuff. This is also really cute. Look at that. That artwork is so adorable. So I love all like the music coming out. There's like little hearts. And she's such a cute character. Oh my god. I have the doll of her as well. Okay, so let's open the first one. These are really fun to open. It reminds me of like a sweet or something. Alright, so here's our key. So that's really pretty. So it's still got like the ballet theme. We've got like sort of the bow. See, that's a really cute key. Next up. Oh, it's our little doll. Cute. So here's our little figure. Oh, she's so beautiful. The detail on these is really cute actually. She's even got little freckles. The camera's probably not going to pick that up, but that's so cute. I love her like bright orange hair. She's a super cute character. I love seeing like the mini versions because I have like the big like shoppy dolls like behind me, and then you can get like the mini versions of them, which is so cute. Look at that. Oh my god, I love tiny things. Okay, what's in this one? So this is going to be our key holder. So I kind of put all of my keys together, like the ones I've got for the other shops, all on like one key, like ring, I suppose it is. There we go, that's cute, just like a little heart key ring. And then this should be our spare key as well. So this will be exactly the same as the other one. There it is. So this one can just clip at the back then. So I think that's quite cute. So I clip one at the back, oh, or not. Get on there. There we go. For some reason I didn't want to stay at first. There we go. Clip one on the back, and then the other ones, like I said, I'll keep like all together on one little chain. Okay, so to open these, the first time I got one of these, I didn't film it, but it was such grief to open. You know, like putting the key in, trying to turn it. And I saw loads of complaints about it, but it's not a turning mechanism. And I feel like this should make it a bit clearer. That's my main criticism with these, is that the mechanics are not good. You basically just have to press it in, and at the same time you want to try and like pop this open, which is really difficult actually, because some of them are quite stiff. So I might have to do this just down here. So you're sort of putting it in, pushing it, and then lifting it at the same time. Which actually that one works quite well, but I don't know if I can show you at the angle. It's quite fiddly. No, it's not working now. It works if I sort of put it on a flat surface and do it. There we go. Yeah, I feel like you kind of end up bending your key. That still looks okay. Wow, okay, so this is fun. Wow. Okay, so let's have a look at the bottom. Oh my god, I love it. It's so cute. So immediately we have like a little mirror at the back, which is obviously like with the ballet pole, so they can stand in front of that and practice. We have a couple of little dresses at the side there. We have a little checkout, so I'm assuming there's a shop element as well. And then at the back, it looks like all the little ballet slippers in a display. I love the wall designs, like the frames on the wall. Those details with like the colour look so good as you go up the stairs. That's stunning. That's so cute. And then we have this little door that opens here, which is very reminiscent of the old Polly Pockets, these little like opening doors and stuff. And it looks like in here we have a little bed. Sorry, the camera doesn't like the white, it's getting a bit overexposed. It's like a little bed, or like I suppose a stool. It's got a ballet skirt on it, and then it's got there's a couple of little slippers on the floor. So I'm assuming that's like a little changing room. That's super cute. And I'll just try and show that from a slight different angle. Sorry, it's kind of hard to show these. Hopefully you can see all okay. And then at the top, it looks like we have like some little seats, a little like corridor. And this is really cute. So a big framed image, and this is like slightly engraved as well, which is so cute. We have our little ballerina here, and then another like engraved frame of ballet slippers, and then it looks like a room here. So this is like going on to the next room, which is really fun. So there's another keyhole, so I'm assuming we're going to pop our key in here, and that's going to flip up. So you can see actually that mechanism at the top as I'm pushing it. Can you see that moving up? So that's basically, it's just like a little latch. Oh, okay, and that opens outwards. Oh, wow. I was thinking it would, oh, it pops up as well. Wow, this one's really fun. I love the way this one opens. So to show you that again, it sort of opens outwards and then at the top as well. Oh my god, I love this. Okay, so over here it just looks like we have a little chair, so that's really cute. There's a little peg there. Huh. That's very interesting, because the pegs were for the little Shopkins. I wonder if they'd fit in there. Let me go grab one quickly. Okay, so I just went and grabbed this little Shopkin, and because that was people's complaints as well, is that these bigger sets and the new like little lockets don't contain like the little mini Shopkins that they used to have. It just comes with the doll. But there's a peg there, so I wonder... Oh no, it doesn't fit. Oh, do you know what? I think it's meant to be a drink. I think that's meant to be a drink on the little thing. Oh, I thought it was like a peg for our little mini Shopkin to like sit on the arm, but it's like it's too loose for it. Oh, that would have been cute. Anyway, and then at the back we have our stage, which is super cute with this little moving part, so we can put our doll in there. I like how there's like flowers as well, which is really cute. And then you can turn this bit at the bottom. I like how she swivels, that's super cute as well. Awesome. On the floor we can see we have our crowd, so we can notice some familiar faces there. If you can name any of those, you're very sad like me, because I could probably name at least 4 of them, which is a bit sad, isn't it? And then over this side, it looks like we have a little piano. So there's a little purple stool on the floor, and then a piano, and it's got like these little engraved details. That's really cute. I think it would be nice if there was some like more frames or something on the walls, because either side it's a little bit plain. And the audio that's being stuck on is a bit strange because it looks like they're kind of underneath on the floor. I suppose it is under the stage. But that is a super beautiful set. I really love that. I think that's probably one of my favourite ones that I opened. I like all of them closed up, but actually to have it all open, this is probably my favourite one. So we'll have to see if any of the other ones I get compete with this, but this is definitely my favourite, like opened up. I love that. So let me take her out and we can put her somewhere else. So here she is, standing in front of the mirror. That's so cute. Or she could stand sort of at the checkout and serve people. Oh, I just love these. They're so much fun. It's like a whole like little mini world. I think the thing is I'd love to like shrink down and like explore all these like shops myself. That would be so fun. But yeah, I'm really happy with this one. So that's absolutely beautiful. Let me know what you think of it in the comments. And let me know if you want to see some of the other ones. And also let me know what you think. I did a little poll on my Instagram, but do you think I should just order it from Amazon, like the other 2 that I'm missing, and just pay like, I think it was like £5 extra? Or do you think I should hang out and wait for them to maybe come to England? Let me know what you think about that. Okay, well, thanks so much for watching. Please like, please subscribe, and I will see you soon. Bye!